It's like I'm whispering. It's because I am. I've got some strange neighbors. Follow up with you afterwards.
Left the brick in my rearview, steel gray and all worn out. Took the north road past the grain bins, past the last red light in town. Luna on the seat beside me, nose pressed to the glass. She knew before I said a word we were not staying where we passed. Past the plaza and the pawn shop, past the chain link and the smoke. Every mile felt like a handprint cutting loose around my throat. Then the road turned dirt brown and the night got a room to breathe. Luna lifted up her head now like she finally remembered me.
Yeah, the lovely Luna and I have arrived. Hey, what do you think? Should we check it out? Compared to our last place, this is still a beautiful spot, but much smaller. So let's go out and have a look. All right, gang, we got 2 picnic tables. One looks brand new, and the other one just looks old and they were too lazy to remove it. That's pretty unusable. Got a couple of good spots over here, maybe kind of in that area there. We'll give it a go. All right, gang, I didn't film any of the setup for the tent this time. If you want to see that, and I think you probably should, because there's a couple funny moments. It's in the video that we did before at Bronte Creek Provincial Park. So just about ready to finish setting up. This is a small site, but the good news is there seems to be a trail right behind us. So we're going to get that explored now that Home Sweet Home is all put together. All right, we are out for a little walk around the campground, really just to check out some of the sites. But I do like it here. There's a good mix of both deciduous and also pine and spruce and other things, right? So enjoy the walk. Can't blame the dog for being scared of my chopping. Well, look at that fire, gang. Getting another one ready for dinner. And tonight, you're in for another treat. We're actually going to do a seasoned pork tenderloin and steak bites. And they're going to be absolutely delicious. So we got to let this fire get down to coals. Because we don't cook on fire, we cook on coals. Well, we're not quite there yet, but we are getting a lot closer. And a good thing I did remember to bring my own grilling surface, because provincial campgrounds always have the ones that flip over, but they all don't. So do yourself a favor, if you're going to cook over the fire, take one. And now, look at this. So we got a pork tenderloin, beef side ribs, and for Luna, some sirloin tip, not seasoned. And I cannot wait to get those on the grill. All right, we're gonna pull some of these short ribs first because they're always done pretty fast. And these look just about perfect. Oh yeah. Sizzling away. Good golly. Look at those. And I'll get some of these on for Looney Tunes, hey? And no seasoning for the pup, but she still likes it when it's cooked a bit. Who doesn't? And I did have some wood on the edge there in case we needed more charcoal, trying to make some more, but I think we're gonna be okay. One of the things I always do with pork is check for temperature. And that's about 71 degrees. And this one's thicker. Well, it's still showing 69. I think we're done. We're calling it. One more flip, oh yeah. There we go, gang. Supper fit for a king. And again, for the dogs, we're not aiming for cooked, we're just aiming for flavor. So I think we're pretty good for her. There's Looney's supper. So let that cool off. Oh boy. How about that, eh? How does that look to you? All right, it's time to dig in. I think first I'll try a piece of that pork. Not a big fan of tenderloin always, but sometimes when camping, because it does cook faster. Well, I'm a fan today. Perfect seasoning, if I do say so myself. Just delicious. And Luna is behind me. She didn't eat her food yet. I'm gonna have to feed her like a human. She's waiting to see if she can get some of mine. And I know those watching are thinking, good grief, she's so spoiled she won't even eat real meat unless it comes off a plate. Cross ribs are delicious. Cut Korean style, perfect around the fire. All right. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me cook it and eat a little bit of it. And we'll join you after dinner for one more special surprise. Good singing.
Pine smoke on my shirt, you were stirring up the dirt.
Tin cup shining in your hand,
Sun was spilling on the camp.
you said pour it slow, don't rush.
I said, girl, the first sip's enough.
We laughed when the kettle hissed.
Morning tasted like this. Bare feet in the creek, sleeves rolled to the elbow.
You leaned in close,
And the whole world moves slow. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. You and me,
that's all I need.
coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. Fire pine and
Your sweet eyes on me.
there was frost still on the grass.
And a dog at the campsite path.
You drew hearts in the steam.
Then you handed one to me.
Bare feet in the creek, sleeves rolled to the elbow.
You leaned in close,
And the whole world moves slow. Coffee
so good. Nothing like that first cup of coffee in the morning. And today I need it. And if it sounds like I'm whispering, it's because I am. I've got some strange neighbors, and I don't want to be too loud. I woke up, I don't know, probably about 12:30. Nothing unusual, but then about 1:30 I heard some wood chopping. Chop, chop, chop. And so I turned on my camp lights and it stopped, but then a fire started in one of the campsites. And I woke up again at 2:30 and again at 3:30. More wood chopping, more fire. And all the way until this morning. And they're still having the fire still up. And the strange thing about it is, not a sound, not a word. You would understand it if people were partying, maybe getting out of hand, but this is just weird. So I'm up super early. We got up at about 5:30, got our coffee ready, and we're gonna get everything together and tore down and just get out of here. It doesn't make me comfortable. And I don't often get that feeling. I don't think I ever have camping. So at any rate, I'm gonna have my coffee. We'll get this thing torn down and we'll follow up with you afterwards.